Okay, so yesterday we discussed about integration factor, the very important theory we discussed it. Okay, if somebody missed for whatever reason, you can listen to the class. And we're done only 58, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us do 59. The question is x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 4xy equal to 1 by x square plus 1. If I divide the x square plus 1, we'll get dy by dx plus 4x by x square plus 1 into y is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. Now it is nicely in the form of dy by dx plus dy equal to q, where q is a function of x, b is a function of x. So in this linear equation method or integration factor method, dy by dx into whatever is there, just divide with it. And it should come dy by dx plus a function of x into y plus a function of x. This function of x should be called p, this function of x should be called q. Now your integration factor is e power integral p dx, e power integral 4x by x square plus 1 dx. For this, almost this is a derivative except for 2. So if I take this as 2, this will be dt 2 times. So it will be 2 log x square plus 1. And this 2 becomes the power, we will get log of x square plus 1 square. E and log will cancel. We'll get x square plus 1 whole square as the integration factor. Now our formula is y into integration factor equal to integral q into integration factor into dx directly. Actually, we are supposed to multiply with this here and then write this together as a derivative of a product and then do it. But already all the time then this formula is derived. You'll get y into x square plus 1 whole square. Integral q. Q is this, and when I multiply with this, I'll get 1 dx only. That's it. It is over. X plus c. And we solved it. That's it. Nothing more. Okay, 60. dy by dx. I'm already straight away dividing the 1 plus x square there. 2x by 1 plus x square into y equal to this 4x square goes to the other side and then by 1 plus x square. Actually, here I want to write directly without even writing integration factor because already it is nicely adjusted. Let me show you in 60. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2x into y equal to 4x square. You can nicely see for this is a derivative. 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. So actually LHS can be written as d by dx of 1 plus x square into y equal to 4x square. Send this dx and integrate it. So you will get 1 plus x square into y is equal to integral 4x square dx, which is 4x cubed by 3 plus. You can bring the 3 here. We'll get 3 into 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4x cubed plus 3c or 3c. I would have done integration factor, but the whole essence of this is to write this a product, derivative of a product, right? So why not that direct? Okay, those are completed. Just try 61, 62. We'll be doing all of them in the class because we have IP work also. That's why I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to erase and go further. Nobody any doubt in 59 or 60, right? Okay, 61 dy by dx plus minus x by 1 minus x square into y is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. So integration factor is e power integral p dx. This is p and this is q. E power integral minus x by 1 minus x square dx. For this is a derivative except for the 2. So it will be half of log 1 minus x square. When this half goes there, you will get e power log of root 1 minus x square. E and log will cancel. You will get that is e power log x is x, we know that. So I have to multiply with root 1 minus x square. That's the point. Or directly formula y into integration factor is integral q into integration factor dx. So we'll get y into root 1 minus x square 1 by 1 minus x square root 1 minus x square dx.
Sir, integration factor will be x square minus 1, no, sir. Negative sign will be. You took minus sign, no, sir.
Yeah, okay. 1 minus x square, what is the derivative? Minus 2x, right?
Okay, sir.
I multiply 2 divided with 2. Okay, so the minus is used for the derivative. Okay. So y into root 1 minus x square, and here it is integral 1 by root 1 minus x square dx. And that integral is sine inverse x. Actually, I think it's okay here, but actually there should be two answers. Why? Actually, we have to put a mod here. Here also mod, within this also mod. Now when there's a mod here, you can't cancel out. You have to take one time, x is between minus 1 to 1, this is correct. When x is between more than 1 or less than minus 1, it will become root x square minus 1. You have to take minus common and write and integrate that. So this is only for correct for x is between minus 1 to 1. Maybe in the question they can give x belongs to open interval minus 1 to 1. If it is more than 1 or less than minus 1, answer will be slightly different. Why should we take mod? What is the integral of 1 by x, man? Not log x, na? Log mod x, right? Yes? Okay. So many times, especially in different equations, somewhere we are not writing mod. Okay, we are getting the answer maybe, but we are supposed to write mod and take the cases and all. The reason I'm doing both even and odd, so that at least you'll do IP homework on your own, at least after exam is over. All of you, please put on your videos. Please don't make us repeat every day. Varga, how are you doing? Okay. KVPY papers, you solved some of them? No. You are doing something more than the regular work? Boys, whoever is growing long hair due to COVID situation, they should get a good haircut. Should find different ways how it can be done. We should not carry so much burden on our head. Okay, this also directly dy by dx plus py equal to q. Just find integration factor. I can easily understand 1 plus x cube. If I bring this side, I can write it as product. But anyway, we are following the process. Let us just do it. But if you understand what is this integration factor, what is the solve method about, you will see as soon as you see the question, you'll understand 1 plus x you bring here, the derivative of that is this. But anyway, e power integral 3x square by 1 plus x cube dx. This is a derivative, so directly log of 1 plus x cube. T and log will go, you will get 1 plus x cube. Okay, so y into integration factor is equal to integral q, integration factor dx. Integration factor is 1 plus x cube, here 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x cube dx. Integral 1 plus x square, 1 integral is x square integral is x cube by 3 plus c. Later on, if you have past year mains questions, that book that I forwarded earlier, you look at differential equation questions, you will find lot of questions coming from this model, dy by dx plus py equal to q, a lot. Another reason may be variable separable is very easy. Y by x equal to z, they can give some questions. The 8C exercise questions are lengthy, they may not be able to give, but this is 8D or whatever. In 63, we don't have any function of x into y. Just a minute. All right. Can all of you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, 63, dy by dx, I have only y, I should write that as 1 into y equal to e power x. So this is my p and this is my q. And integration factor is e power integral p dx, e power integral 1 dx, which is e power x. So I have to multiply with e power x or use the formula. So now y into integration factor is equal to integral q dx, y into e power x integral e power x into e power x dx. So y e power x, this e power 2x integral is e power 2x by 2 plus. So when you divide with e power x, you'll get y is equal to e power x by 2 plus c e power minus x. They might have given an answer like that. Don't write. 2y e power x is equal to e power 2x plus. Okay, 64. I'm not going to tell now, but everybody should do now itself. After completing 62, 63, 64 and 65 both, all of you try to complete by yourself. I'll ask somebody to show their notes on the screen, the video. Okay, 64. Anybody want to tell what is the integration factor?
X, sir.
Anybody else want to tell what is the integration factor in 64?
X square, sir.
X square. When you divide with x, it is 2 by x into y equal to x log x. So integration factor is e power integral 2 by x dx, e power integral 2 log x. You cannot cancel this to take this 2 out. So e power log of x square, e and log will get x square. So now y into integration factor is equal to integral q into integration factor dx. Y into x square integral x log x into x square dx. You can take x cube log x and apply by parts. X cube integral is x power 4 by 4 into log x minus log x. X power 4 by 4 will continue. Log x derivative is 1 by x. So y into x square is equal to x power 4 by 4 log x. X cube will come. So 1/4 of x cube integral is again x power 4 by 4 plus c. That's it. Okay, 65. First of all, I should divide the dx. Y minus x dy by dx plus log x. This is I divide with dx. I should also divide with x. Y by x minus dy by dx. plus log x by x equal to 0. Now send this on this both. I'll get dy by dx plus minus 1 by x into y. These two will go that side equal to log x by x. Okay, so first of all, it is important to write the whole thing as dy by dx plus py equal to q. Now the integration factor is e power integral minus 1 by x dx, e power minus log x, which is e power log of 1 by x, which is 1 by x itself. So integration factor is 1 by x. So now y into integration factor is 1 by x equal to integral log x by x into another 1 by x dx. Y by x. This one, how to integrate is you write 1 by x square into log x dx. Better to integrate this. 1 by x square integral is minus 1 by x into log x. Minus x1 continue, derivative of log x is 1 by x by part square of e, which is minus log x by x and plus 1 by x square integral is minus 1 by x again. And we have to see what the answer. They can send x to the other side and get so this x if I multiply, finally I'll get y is equal to minus log x minus x minus log x minus 1 plus cx will be the answer. Okay, 64. I hope everybody completed. Don't just passively copy from the board. First of all, some people, if they are not writing, first of all, they should write. Those are writing, please be attentive what we are doing. Actually, 65, we've done this one, but some of this left side part can be saved. How? The question was already in the form of y dx minus x dy plus log x dx. Right away, I can get an idea to divide with x square. Why? What is this whole thing? The derivative of what? Anybody want to tell?
d by dx of y by x.
d by dx of y by x.
Yeah, it is d by dx of d of y by x, not d by dx of d of y by x. Okay, and this I can send to that side. I will get log x by x square d. Now when integrate directly, we'll get this step. There should be a minus here or what? What is the derivative of y by x? Negative of this. So this is minus dy by dx. Okay. Fine. Now when integrate, differentiation will cancel. We'll get y by x. This minus will go here. We get that is This is minus anyway, so we'll get it. Okay, so this kind of techniques we'll be using at the end. Okay. Okay, 66. dy by dx plus 2 tan x into y is equal to sin x. So integration factor is e power integral p dx. This is p, this is q. E power integral 2 tan x dx. Tan x integral is log. What is tan x integral? Anybody?
Log mod secant x.
Log mod secant x. These two can go up. I'll get log mod secant square x. E and log will go. I'll get secant square x, and secant square x is positive, so I don't need a mod symbol. So now y into integration factor is secant square x equal to integral sin x into secant square x dx. One sin and one secant together will become tan x into secant x dx, and that is secant x plus c. And at pi by 3 they gave it is 0. Okay, so y secant square x. We can send secant square x that side. You multiply with cos square x. We'll get cos x plus c cos square x. To find c value, they said y of pi by 3 is 0. Y of pi by 3 is 0 means y is in terms of x, that is this. When x is pi by 3, y is 0. So when you use that, you'll get 0 equal to cos 60 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. And that c will come minus 2. Now put minus 2 back, we'll get cos x minus 2 cos square x. Okay, next 4 questions are, at least not next 4, maybe next 3 or 2. I have to do something else. '67 and '68 are not dy by dx plus py equal to q. Rather, it is dx by dy equal to px plus q, where p and q are functions of y. Okay, 66 I'm going to erase. If it needs more time. Okay, so now we are discussing the model where dx by dy plus px equal to q, where p comma q are functions of y. And then integration factor here will be e power integral p dy. And finally, it will be x into integration factor equal to integral q into integration factor into dy will be the solution. Okay. So x and y roles got completely interchanged compared to the previous one. So coming to 67, the question was cos y plus x sin y plus 1. No, plus 1 or minus 1? It's minus 1, no? Yes, into dy by dx equal to 0. So cos y, I'm multiplying the dx by dy, so this will become dx by dy and this will be gone. X sin y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so cos y dx by dy plus x sin y equal to 1. Right here we may see something, but it's okay. I'll divide with cos y dx by dy plus tan y into x is equal to secant y after dividing with cos y. Now it is nicely dx by dy plus px equal to q, where this is a function of y, this is a function of y. So what is our integration factor? E power integral tan y dy, which is e power log secant y, which is secant y itself. Once we got the integration factor secant y, our answer is x into secant y is equal to integral secant y cube, and integration factor is also secant y, because secant square y is directly tan. So x secant y is equal to tan y plus c. Okay, you got some idea about this method. So 68, 69 also like that only. We'll discuss in the next class. That is Tuesday, and the Bernoullis. With that, actually the chapter is over. Only we're just doing questions only further. Variety of questions. That's all. Theory is over. Only one more Bernoullis equation I have to tell. All right.